I just clean the fish, fry them up. Got the salt and pepper seasoning. Kind of even in a frying pan, it's so big stand. Okay, come over here. Stay cooking pork chops over here. So what you do first, okay? You can fit about 4 at one time, I think, if your frying pan big enough. So you take them, put them in here, okay? Put them in, so you get your bag flour, yeah? Big bag flour. And then over here, you get your eggs and you whisk them up, your eggs. And then you get your panko right off, your breadcrumbs. And then, so you take one thing and then you dip them in here. You shake them around so get all flour on top. This is flour, that's right. And then after that, you shake them off. You dip them in the egg, yeah? You mix them around. After that, you put them in the panko, the breadcrumbs, and then you flip them around twice. And then after that, you throw them in your hot oil that you get. Shoots! Okay, what's up guys? We just showed you how for season the thing and come on the fry pan. Now, once you get them, you wait for like about 5 minutes. And then now, after that, you gotta flip them over. So, got your tongs in there. Make sure you don't burn. You gotta do them slowly. So like, okay guys, so we're gonna do a quick review, okay, of what we gotta do. So I already took some, I'm putting them in here and I shook them up already. So like it's supposed to look like this after. And then dip them in the yolk, flip them around. Then you dip them off, get them in the bread, cheese, panko. You gotta make them so you get all of it all over. Flip them like 2 times and then dry it off. Gotta put them in your pan slowly so it'll pop. So like, so we're gonna do the rest of these inside here and then come back when they're finished. Something like that. Shoot! What's up guys? So we just finished frying them. We all done. Now we gotta cut them for make them each size. So first, you gotta grab them, put them on a plate or a chopping board, and then gotta grab a good knife, put them down, and you let the knife do the work. I'm kind of bad at this, so gonna be, if you're good at cutting, then it's gonna be more smooth. Like you're gonna have the breadcrumbs on them still. Okay, so when you're done, then you grab like one separate plate and then set it on top. And then you do that for all the other ones that you fried, and then plate them with some rice and good to eat. Okay guys, so you got your thing cut up, plate them with some rice. Now we're gonna make some sauce for the for this right now. So you need ketchup and this, and then you need one spoon or whatever kind of spoon or fork, and then you need a little tiny kind bowl. So you take some ketchup, fill it up like right there. Some of this. Put a little bit right there. And then mix some up to make one kind of sauce. Now plate them with your stuff and your rice. Now you're all good to go. You can muff it. That was